So after the bell ringer, based on the video, which is also with the lesson plans if you would like to look at that again. Today, of course, we can continue with some of the things we saw earlier in the week, the study guide. Make sure that you complete that, and the slideshow study guide is just a class activities assignment to help you prepare for the test. You pick out a certain number of items in the instructions from the list. There's more than what you need, and you just paste those down below and define them in your own words or answer the questions if there are questions. And then the slideshow, you're of course just preparing a visual that will also help you prepare for the test, and it covers the three different types of government that we studied in the first unit, and then some of the subjects like the Constitutional Convention in the second part of that. And so you're just putting in, based on the directions, 3 or 5 fragmented sentences or little headings for each of those, and a picture for each as well. And then today and tomorrow you can work on any assignments from units 1 or 2. So if there's something that you didn't do or something you got a 0 on or maybe half credit or something like that, you can go ahead and redo those. And of course, if you forgot to take one of the quizzes or maybe you only took it once, remember you can take those up to 2 times. So you can go back today and tomorrow and work on stuff from unit 1 and 2 if you'd like. Tomorrow in the second half of class, we'll play a review game, and then the test is Thursday. Does anybody have any questions about any of that? Any questions at all? All right. So once this week is complete, of course, we'll be 3 weeks in, so a third of the way through the quarter. So it's important that you make sure that you take the test. Like if you're not here on Thursday, make sure that you take it, because tests are worth 40% of your grade. So obviously that would be a big hole if you don't end up completing that. And not only that, but the grades are kind of wonky right now because of that. Tests make up 40%, so 40% of your grade right now is missing. So if you went through and you calculated the total points, that's because class activities aren't worth the same percentage as tests. So if they don't balance out right, that's because each type is worth a different percentage, and that won't be complete until we take the test and you get that project turned in, because they're worth more points as well. Does anybody have any questions? Anything at all? All right. Well, if you do have any questions, please let me know.